RōBEX FLEXX, boldly moving manufacturing forward. RōBEX FLEXX is an industry-unique program that establishes a monthly technology licensing fee, which allows customers access to the latest automation technology via our proprietary systems. It promises important productivity benefits while eliminating upfront capital investment. Not only does this technology licensing program offer tremendous value, it is not considered a capital lease. Manufacturers of all sizes are embracing the benefits of our unique licensing program. Some of the many end-user advantages include improved productivity with custom automation, absolutely no upfront capital expenditure, maintenance and troubleshooting peace of mind, and RōBEX FLEXX is not considered a capital lease. How RōBEX FLEXX works. We all know that technology and intelligent machines can be expensive, and capital is often constrained. But the ongoing challenge is to safely improve productivity to lower costs and improve bottom-line results. That's why we created this technology licensing program. At RōBEX, our constant goal is to make intelligent machines accessible to manufacturers of all sizes. RōBEX will custom design, engineer, deliver, install, calibrate, and maintain the system while retaining ownership. Customers pay a monthly technology licensing fee based on the installed system. This program changes the way intelligent production systems are financed, serviced, and warrantied, leading to a stronger bond with our customers. This partnership typically results in improved productivity, efficiency, and revenue with no capital investment. You should consider RōBEX FLEXX. Contact us at 419-270-0770 or email automation@robex.us to discover how RōBEX FLEXX can benefit your company.